Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Taurus, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 18 to 24. 2023, this is a general reading so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan. So let's see, Taurus, what's up with you this week? Elephant. This is majestic regal. So, maaring meron ka mga aayusin sa sarili mo, especially sa physical appearance mo. Iba magpapaayos ng kilay or magpapaayos ng hair. You also have Thunderbolt. This is fresh ideas. Baka meron kang mga eureka moments, no, na mga may isip na bagong idea na, you know, may potential na maging successful in the future. You also have Owl. So, Owl is about knowledge, wisdom. Speaking of idea, okay. So, maaring meron ka mga creative ideas na susubukan or may isip mo na, uy, maganda tong gawing negosyo or maganda tong gawing project sa trabaho, no? Na maaring you will be inspired, no, na mag-take ng action. And of course, I think you will also learn something, no? Kumbaga, i-research mo rin to. Hindi to yung tipong naisip mo yung idea na yun, tapos ayun na, you will just dive into that. Ito ay pag-iisipan mo rin, pag-aaralan mo muna bago mo subukan. And then, some of you, ayun nga, meron kayong mga aayusin sa sarili ninyo. Maaring i-reinvent nyo yung sarili ninyo sa the way na manamit kayo, the way na mag-ayos kayo. So, ngayon, mas mas aalagaan nyo yung sarili ninyo. The way you present yourself to the world. And ito ring thunderbolt na to is maaring isang unexpected message, no? Maaring merong unexpected message na matatanggap ka galing sa isang tao, no? Na hindi mo inaasahan na magme-message sa'yo, magre-reach out sa'yo. This can be a person from the past or someone na attracted sa'yo. Meron kasi ritong ma-attract sa'yo or biglang ma-appreciate ka niya, lalo na kung meron kang babaguhin or i-enhance sa sarili mo, like the way you dress, the way you wear your makeup, or the way na mag-ayos ka, the way you groom yourself. So I think this person is going to notice you, no? Mapapansin ka. And bigla na lang magme-message. Magpapapansin na sa'yo. Okay, you also have the Four of Pentacles. So this is focusing on your money, financial stability. Some of you are also saving a lot. Maaring mas pinapahalagahan mo na ngayon yung pag-save ng pera. Maari ring meron sa inyo nagpapatayo ng bahay or may pinagkakagastosan kayo para sa bahay ninyo. You also have the Sun. This is a very positive energy. This is confidence, no? You are more confident than ever. I think, epekto rin to ng mga enhancement na gagawin mo sa sarili mo. When I say enhancement, hindi to laging, hindi naman porket sinabing may enhancement, meron ng, anong tawag doon? Mga procedures na may operation. Anong tawag doon? Basta ganon, may retoke or something. Pwedeng ganun din naman sa iba, no? There's nothing wrong about that as long as you are going to feel good about yourself. But this is you na reinventing yourself to a better version of yourself, Mas confident. So, let's see what else. You also have the Five of Pentacles. What is this? High Priestess. Okay. So, I think you are going to find a solution sa finances mo, sa issue mo sa finances mo. With the High Priestess, this is about knowledge. This is also about a revelation. So, I think, yung pag-handle mo sa finances mo in the past, medyo parang careless, no? Parang hindi ka masyadong, parang nagpabaya ka, no? Pagdating sa finances mo. But, this week, you will realize the importance of having a backup money. So, kaya mas magsisave ka ngayon. And I think also meron kang mga bagong ideas na may isip mong gawin dahil may potential to na maging successful in the future. I think this is, parang instinct mo parang mayroon kang intuition, very strong intuition with this project na pag ginawa mo, you're going to be successful or may potential siyang maging successful. So it's like para siyang eureka moment for you. You also have, this is Venus in Pisces in the 12th house. Submission. It's like surrendering. Surrendering to the divine. This is also surrendering to your belief. Kasi yung 12th house is also your, yung paniniwala mo Yung anything related to your spirituality. And I also see you na working towards your, parang meron kang aayusin, isa-shadow work. So, pag sinabing shadow work, magkakaroon ka ng awareness doon sa mga ugali mo or hindi lang sa ugali to yung mga the way you handle challenging situations, lalo na kung hinahandle mo siya in a negative way. So ngayon, you are going to submit yourself to learning more about yourself in a deeper level. So maaring meron ka ring i-workout na trauma. So some of you, ang issue na to, ang trauma na to related sa finances, sa pera. Kung dati meron niyang pinaguhugutan na siguro meron kang parang mindset na laging wala or parang niisip mo na kapag may pera ka dapat ini-spend mo agad, ganon. So I think you are working towards that na bakit ganon yung mindset mo. And now you will unti-unti, wini-workout mo sa sarili mo na okay, kapag hindi porket may pera ka, may extra kang pera, is gagastosin mo na agad. So ngayon, tinuturuan mo yung sarili mo na mas maging masinop. And meron kang choice na gagawin. Meron magdidesisyon ka pagdating sa relationship. Can be getting into a relationship or walking away from a relationship. You are the light. Ayan. So meron kang clarity this week kung saang direction yung tatahakin mo. You are also going to honor your soul and celebrate its journey. So for you, open ka sa mga sa journey na kailangan mong pagdaanan towards your goals, towards your dreams. Okay? So that is your reading, Taurus. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Taurus. See you again.